You know how sometimes the ground breaks off the plug? Then you have to get the whole cord replaced. I started replacing them with these replacement cords for dehumidifiers with an in-wire GFCI that are pre-cut and ready with the right connectors to be installed in most models of dehus. They offer extra protection from electrocution even in the next time the ground breaks. And then you never again need to replace the whole cord. Just replace 2 feet of wire with this replacement that is pre-cut and ready to be installed in the GFCI.